Nordic Water, our commitment to service begins with careful planning. Our service agreements ensure proactive maintenance, tailored to each client's needs. As a pioneer in the water industry for over 5 decades, we operate on all continents and have over 15 certified partners worldwide. Our skilled technicians arrive on site, fully equipped to deliver world-class service. We focus on sustainability through reliable equipment tailored to various needs, ensuring optimal operation and minimal wear. Our pure heroes take on the toughest assignments to provide top-tier service, enhancing both equipment reliability and performance. Post-service, we confirm every task with our client and schedules the next planned maintenance. The result? Clean water for everyone in the world. Nordic Water, making water go around.